superstars? What's up, big head? This is Wesley Virgin here. So check it out. We're going to make some money with Etsy, okay? So I'm going to show you step by step how to make about $6,500 from Etsy. Now listen, I'm going to warn you, this is not my stuff. I had a lady, you guys know that I sell a ton of products online, and I have a meditation product by the name of Genie Script. Genie Script, this lady bought it. It's a meditation program to teach you to be in alpha state, right? So you can manifest more things, such as this video. And she said, Wesley, I went through your program and I created a business on Etsy, and now I'm doing about $6,500 a month. And she showed me step by step how she's doing it. She's 32 years old. She's a single mom from Kansas. And I said, well, can I share this with everybody else? You know, I got a ton of people that follow me on Instagram. And I got a ton of people on YouTube. Can I share this with people here? That's me as a baby, by the way. Look at me. When I look so cute. Look at my little baby. That's me. All right, so listen, I'm going to get right into it here. Hey, smash the like button. I'm just asking you to do it. You don't have to hit the like button, but that's the only way to rank these videos, man. If not, YouTube, you know, sometimes they don't show me no love. So can you show me some love? Just a little love. But check it out. So here's Etsy.com. And Etsy, let me keep it stupid simple for you. It's just, they sell random stupid stuff. I don't know. You know, I mean, who buys this stuff? But a lot of people are buying stuff from Etsy here. And this young lady showed me this tool that I'm going to give you the tool. And listen, you don't have to buy anything. I'm not going to say, click the link in the description and buy. No, you don't have to do that. It's all free. Use everything for free to be able to begin to start making money. You can do this very quickly. It's up to you. I would suggest to do everything that I'm going to show you in the video right now and pay close attention here, okay? So look, these are products. So look, on Etsy, to make money, you need to know what product to sell, at what price point, and how to get the traffic. That's about it. I mean, that's all you need to do on Etsy, and you can make a ton of money here. So let me show you how the tool that the lady is using here. I mean, I don't want to waste too more of your time because I know you're a very busy person, right? So here it is, Everbee. Okay, write that down. Everbee. And listen, you got to have Chrome. Like, if you're not using Chrome here, you see I have my phone here. You can't use Safari, the browser, Internet Explorer. You got to use Chrome. It won't work. Okay, you click try for free. Don't buy anything. All right, get it for free. Put your name, big head, whatever your email address and your name, and you just sign up. And what's going to happen is they're going to send you basically an add-in for the Chrome plug-in. That's it. All right. Once you fill all this stuff out, let me see if I can just do anything. Hold on. Big head at yahoo.com. Let's see, Wesley Virgin. That's the password here. And I'm just doing a sample account here. See, done deal. See, install Chrome extension now. When you click that, you're going to go here and just add the extension. I already have it, obviously, right? So I'm already using it. So listen, let's go back. And this is an example. And this is the product that I'm going to do. I did the research. So if you want to steal it from me, you can. I'm all good. Smash the like button if you want to steal from Wesley Virgin. I truly believe you should model other people. I use the McDonald's model, a Burger King, like Burger King model McDonald's, right? So do the same thing. MySpace, Facebook model MySpace. Billion-dollar companies. Well, not MySpace. Sorry, guys, but he made a ton of money, though. So check it out. Baby beanie hats, okay? So say if I want to check this product here and I want to know, you know, how much it's selling. If you see this right here, that's Everbee. That's the plug-in, by the way. Let me move my big old head over here, guys. Smash the like button if I got a big old head. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Check it out. So you got to be excited, folks. Smash the like button if you believe. You must be excited if you ever want to make money, okay? So check it out. So you see this plugin right here? So if I click on analytics here, let that load up, it's going to tell me everything I need to know to make money on Etsy. That's what the lady's doing, okay? That's what she did. And you want to find the higher price point. You see here, this person is making $2,000 per month, okay? Selling this stuff. I mean, then what you do is you click that little button here, and you can see exactly what they're doing, right? Right? Even the picture quality, you can say, get your baby just like that with blue eyes, with a beanie just like this. They tell you the exact title because they're using what is called SEO. SEO is called search engine optimization. So listen, to keep it stupid simple, just copy or model the same title, because when people search, you'll pop up. Okay, that's what they're doing here. And the tags here, you want to copy these tags as well. Everything, you just want to model. I'm not going to use the word copy. Okay, model everything. And look, we can look at another product here, $2,000 a month, because you don't. You know, a lot of you new people that are online that's trying to make money, that's watching this video right now, you're trying to create a product that nobody wants, and you're wasting time and money. Don't do that. Find out what's already working, okay? Listen, comment below. Say promote products that already work. Put that in the comments below. If not, you're going to be broke and busted at a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life. And I don't want that for you, okay? So check it out. Here's another one, $2,000, okay, $2,000 a month. That's pretty good. And you can do multiple products. What I like to do and what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically promote all the products here that are $2,000 plus, okay? And I'm going to get these products and I'm going to sell them on Etsy, and I'm going to model everything that I see here. Everything here, I'm just going to model. I'm just going to model. Everything that I see here, just model everything on the product, even the picture quality, like exactly. Because when I post that, now I'm going to rank automatically. That's how people on Etsy that are making money. The people that are making $0, they're not using this freaking tool here ever be. So check it out. It's really cool. And listen, if you ever want to make more money, you know, maybe you want to be a person like me, you want to be able to drive a freaking McLaren here, you know, nice cars. In the description below, there's a link. I'm sorry, it's kind of dark here, and I'm kind of black. Let's see my fake dimple. I'm always down to partner with you. I don't mentor, but I do partner with people. So if you're looking for partnership, there's a link in the description below. That's partner. If not, just try this. It really works with this Everbee tool. You can spy on what's already working. You basically model what they're doing. You see the total sales. You see the money they're making. You model the price point, maybe $1 shy that's under their product, and you just snipe it. That's what Amazon does. Secret, guys. Amazon actually, if you're doing well on Amazon, they will create a competing product and take you and put you out of business. They will. 100%. Hey, it's capitalism at best. So listen, like I said before, if you're looking for freaking partnership, I'm down with partnering with men, women, teenagers, anybody that has ambition, anybody that's willing to fight for what they want. I had to fight for my dreams. I fight every single day. I don't give up. Don't be a quitter. That's why I'm worth over $40 million. You know why? Because if I want it, it's mine. And I want you to have the same mentality. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.